Hello everyone, welcome back to Vlogmas Day 4. Let's talk about my morning routine. It is not that pretty. Every morning is kind of different. So I usually start with a Devo in the morning and a little bit of journaling, like a 5-minute journal of kind of setting my intentions for the day, which I forgot to film here. I had a lot of clothes that were drying out overnight and I don't have like a clothing line or anything, so I just put them on my bar stools. First thing I did was fold them, which for some reason I didn't film. And after that I decided that I wanted to do yoga this morning, so I went ahead, put on my Apple Watch and threw on a really cute yoga outfit that I've been loving so much lately. And I absolutely love doing yoga videos by Yoga with Adrienne. If you do yoga on YouTube, you already know who she is. She is amazing and she has so many videos. And this morning I decided to do a 10-minute morning yoga with her. And it's my favorite video. I can link it down in my description for you guys if you guys want to watch that one and do it. I do this morning yoga routine like almost every day. I like to actually wait about an hour and a half before I have some sort of caffeine in my system. So whether I'm making coffee or matcha, which you guys know I love my morning drinks, I wait at least an hour and a half before I drink. So that's why I don't make it first thing in the morning. But here I'm making coffee. I decided to use my AeroPress. Actually, I only use AeroPress when I make coffee. And this morning I decided to make an iced coffee. Here is my routine. I definitely am not like a coffee connoisseur. Like I don't measure out beans or anything. I just make it by eye. Ultimately, how you make your drink is up to you, and this is just how I make my drink. On this particular morning, I really wanted to pull out my Planning is my Hustle cup. I got this from a sale back, I think sometime this year. I really love sipping on my cold drinks in this cup. It makes me feel happy and also ready to work because planning literally is my hustle. Cheers. So on Sundays when your girl actually has time to meal prep, I like to make overnight oats. And this morning, I was lucky. I had apple cinnamon spiced overnight oats and it was amazing. I like to pack them in these little containers so that I can have them throughout the week. Okay, on to the next thing. I like to plan out my days. I need a planner, and that's obviously why I'm in planning. But I like to plan out my mornings so that I have some sort of an outline, because most of the time when I get busy, I just start doing things just to be busy. But I find that if I actually write out what I need to do before I actually get into the day, I can focus on bigger things that'll actually move the needle for my business. That's basically my fall morning routine for this fall 2022, I guess. It's very laid back, it's never the same. And some mornings I get lucky and I have prepared overnight oats to eat. Sometimes I don't and I just starve. Or I just like raid my fridge. And I just want to let you guys know that there is no highlight reel. I don't want to make my mornings seem like, oh, it's all perfect and stuff, because it's not. Sometimes I wake up and it's hard to get out of bed. This particular morning, I felt motivated to get out of bed and to do all the things that I knew would make me feel good. Just to be real, there are mornings when I don't feel that same way. Wherever you are, I hope this video encourages you to just get up and get moving. Do what you think will make you feel good every morning to set yourself up for success. And no matter what, this is your gentle reminder to just be kind to yourself and to listen to your body. When it's tired, rest. When it's ready to get up and get moving, go for it. I love you all. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more. Let me know in the comments what you thought of it and if you want to see more real stuff like this. Until the next video, friends. Bye-bye.